Oh, it says it's recording.
It's a movie.
I just tried to push the button.
It's a movie mode.
Oh, okay.
Look, Flynn.
Domestic Christmas bliss.
Oh!
Daddy's putting together
Daddy's playing with his new toy.
with Flynn's first toy that he opened up. And I can see it's going to be a long morning because we're going slow. Right, Flynn?
Yep.
What did you get?
I got a fire truck.
Is it a Duplo fire truck? Are you? Oh, cool.
Oh, look at this, Daddy. Another Lego.
Another Lego.
Daddy, look at another Lego. Look, a fire doggy. The Dalmatian dog.
Dalmatian? Yeah.
You are so right. How'd you know that was a Dalmatian?
He's on the bridge.
He's on the bridge. Is he safe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at his little chair.
Oh, that's a good joke. That's a good joke.
It's not a good joke.
If I said that, because fire is where they get to go.
Uh-huh. What's Harper doing, Flynn? Hey.
Who's on my head? Go away.
Is it the helicopter? Does it have one of those woo woo woo? Oh my goodness, the blades came off.
Yeah, because I don't need those anymore.
Don't need them anymore?
Because,
Yeah.
sometimes they don't need that.
And then nothing says Christmas like
Daddy,
Maryland Turks.
that.
Where?
Don't sit on here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the way. Harper! 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 Yeah!
Look, we can put him in the fire station.
No, don't touch that.
Oh.
Watch out, Daddy. The fire engine has to go rescue some people, right, Flynn?
Yeah.
Before it can come back to the fire station.
He's going to the store.
Oh, he's going to the store. Which store? Regular store. Trader Joe's?
No, Daddy, make that.
Yeah.
Okay. It's three doors.
Can we all say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.